morning, Storm Chasing MA fans. So I think I'll start the videos off like Mr. Rogers. We'll do the same thing every time when I have a rain video. We'll just go to the same spot every time. So we're just gonna check out our usual spot here. See if we have some street flooding. It's rain heavy all night long. Kind of northeast winds. Not super strong, like 10 to 15. So not crazy. Nothing bananas. No severe weather yet. We've had some severe weather move towards the area a few times the other night, but it kind of died out and it was just heavy rain. I don't have, the road's closed, so we're gonna go ahead and go around and see if we can see it, because it's obviously flooded out. We'll go around and come down the ramp. There's a ramp right near it. We can come down and then we can get a little glimpse of it real quick. You probably can't hear me because I didn't put the Bluetooth on, but I'll just shout. Yeah, typically it's flooded out enough that you can still drive through it if you have a truck or a high vehicle. Obviously, I've said it a bunch of times, if you have a low vehicle and there's flowing water across the street, turn around, don't drown. It's not worth it. Just go the other way. There's plenty of ways to go around. I'll see if I can get down the ramp, and there's like a plumbing business right there. I can pull over like towards that way, like I'm going that way, and we can get a glimpse if it's all flooded out. People driving from that way. They must have see if we can go over here and get a glimpse. Yeah, there's people coming down here. It's not flooded out. Gonna change for me. Wow. I wonder if they have it locked out so it can't change for me. So it's a little flooded out. Try to zoom in here a little bit, guys. Yeah, it's flooded out across the road. Not a good view, sorry. But people are gonna go around the barrier now and not follow the police thing. I don't feel like getting a ticket for being an idiot, so I'm gonna play it safe today because that's pretty deep. Some explorer just went through it. It was pretty deep. Alright, just thought I'd get a quick video for everyone. Again, we're just waiting for the severe weather season to start here, and then we'll get some good footage of some great thunder and lightning storms, some great if we have any tornado warning storms, we'll go ahead and we'll be on those too, and we'll travel a little bit in New England to get you guys a little different view. Alright, thank you everyone.